How to remove location data when sharing photos on iPhone. If you have location services enabled for the camera app on your iPhone or iPad, every photo you take includes GPS info about where it was taken. Starting with iOS 13, though, you can choose to share photos without location data. To get started, open the Photos app and browse to a photo or photos you want to share without location data. To share multiple photos, select and tap each one, and then tap the Share button. To share a single photo, tap it, and then tap the Share button at the bottom left. In the Share menu that appears, tap Options. At the top of the screen, it's under the number of photos you selected. If you see Location Included next to Options, this means location data is currently enabled for that photo or photos. We're about to change that, though. In the Options menu that appears, look for the Include section. Toggle off the Location option for the selected photos. If you don't see the Location option here, then either location data is turned off for the camera app, see below, or no location data is associated with that particular photo. Tap Done to return to the Share menu. You should now see No Location under the photo selection message. Keep in mind, however, this method will only work for this one instance. The photo's location info is still stored on your iPhone. If you want to share it again in the future without location info, you'll have to repeat the process above. If you find yourself frequently disabling the location data before sharing photos, you might want to consider turning it off in the camera app. This way, none of your new photos will include location data. To turn off camera location access, open Settings, and then navigate to Privacy greater than Camera. In the Allow Location Access section, tap Never. Note, however, that you won't be able to take advantage of any features that rely on location data after you do this. For example, the Photos app won't be able to show where you took your photos on a map or group photos you've taken by location, while any photos you take in the future won't include GPS metadata. All of those you took before turning off this feature will still include it. If you want to permanently remove location data from photos you've already taken, you'll have to use a utility that will allow you to modify or remove each photo's EXIF metadata. This process can be confusing, so it's usually best left as a last resort for situations in which maintaining privacy is extremely important. Text source: howtogeek.com